Hey there, welcome back to our series on revolutionizing your front-end development work with AI. If you're new here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. In this video, we're going to be discussing the different AI tools and platforms available for front-end development and helping you determine the best fit for your projects. So if you're ready to take your front-end work to the next level with AI, let's get started. As you may know, there are a ton of AI tools and platforms out there that can be used in front-end development. From design assistance to code generation, it can be tough to sift through all the options and decide which ones are worth using. That's why it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to accomplish with AI and what your specific needs are. To help you narrow down your choices, here are a few key things to consider when choosing AI tools and platforms. Compatibility. Make sure the AI tool or platform you choose is compatible with your current setup and workflow. This includes things like programming languages, operating systems, and integrations with other tools and platforms. Ease of use. Nobody wants to spend hours learning how to use a complex tool, so look for options that are intuitive and easy to use, especially if you're new to AI. Cost. Don't forget to factor in the cost of the AI tool or platform. Some options may have a higher upfront cost but offer more features and capabilities, while others may have a lower cost but be more limited in what they can do. Support and documentation. Good support and documentation are crucial when it comes to using AI tools and platforms. If you run into any issues or have questions, it's nice to know that you have a resource to turn to for help. Now that you know what to look for, let's take a look at the purpose of AI tools and platforms that are commonly used in front-end development. One main use of AI is for design assistance. Tools like Adobe XD and Gravit Designer offer AI-powered design assistance for tasks like prototyping, usability testing, and user experience design. Next is code generation. Tools like Deep Coder and AI-powered code completion tools can assist with code generation and save time by automating tasks like variable naming and code formatting. Finally, AI-driven tools are valuable to use for testing and debugging. Tools like AppleTools and TestAI use AI to identify and fix errors in code faster and more accurately than humans. We cover the top 10 AI-driven tools and more in depth in our latest ebook on the topic. With over 40 pages, we dive deeper into each category of AI tools and platforms to help you take your work to the next level. The link is in the description below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest developments in the world of AI-powered tools to maximize your success in all areas of life. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.